doing my first ever collaboration with another YouTuber. My friend Erin at My Level 10 Life and I are doing a little favorites exchange type thing. We each sent each other a box of some of our favorite things that we wanted to share with each other, and we're gonna kind of do an unboxing. She's gonna do one on her channel of mine that I sent her, and I'm gonna do one of what she sent me. And I have had this box for a few days now and had not opened it yet, and it's killing me. I'm so excited. So let's get to it. Let's see. They taped it up really well. There we go. Alright, so it's in this box right here. Here we go. Oh, it's pretty already. Got pretty paper. Y'all, look at this water bottle. Erin, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I always have water on me all the time. This is awesome. And I love that it's stainless. That is so awesome. Love it. Ooh, some Copaiba. If y'all have never heard of this, Copaiba is an essential oil, and it is supposed to be good for, there's a lot, I mean, I don't really know a ton about it. What I know about it, I've never taken these pills. They just came out. They have them in soft gels now, brand new. But I have just the oil itself, and I'll put it in a veggie cap. It helps with my nerve pain. Like, it helped a lot. Like, if you have any kind of chronic pain issues, this stuff is, it's awesome. So I've never used it as a soft gel. So I am super excited to be able to take these. Let's see, it says it supports cardiovascular, immune, digestive, respiratory, and the nervous system. For me, what I've noticed with Copaiba is the nervous system part, but again, I've never had the soft gels. So I'm so freaking excited about this. Yay, thank you, Erin, for sending me some of this. Let's see what else. It looks like I got some more oils. Happy Mood. Could always use some Happy Mood. I'm gonna put it on my arms where I kind of like, ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. That's gonna help us keep a happy mood today. I really, for me, I've never really used essential oils for like mood support ever. Like, I've just not thought of it that way. I use like peppermint for headaches and belly aches, and like I said, I use the Copaiba and Frank incense for some pain control stuff. And I love to diffuse, like, just because how it smells. I use some of the On Guard products for cleaning and stuff, but this is new to me, using it for emotional support. So I'm excited to try that. Let's see, another one. Let's see. Zendocrine. She had told me about this. I didn't know anything about this. Apparently it's supposed to help with liver support, and if you have a gallbladder, with gallbladder support, you're supposed to put it like right over your liver. So I am going to have vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery soon, so this will help with liver support. So I will be using this every day till then. That's awesome, Erin. Thank you. Oh, how pretty. Together, alone we are strong, together we are stronger. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Can y'all see that? It's got like the two little silver things linked together. Yay, that is so awesome. Thank you, Erin. And then pens, that's awesome. I love to journal, and I know Erin's really big on journaling, so these must be pens she likes to use. Super excited about this. I love journaling. I love doing my meal planning and all that stuff, and these are gonna be awesome. Oh, it looks like she sent me a journal too. Isn't that pretty? Yay! I will definitely put that to use. That was so awesome, Erin. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I gotta hold some of this up for a thumbnail. Yay! I'm so excited. That was so fun to open. Y'all, this Happy Mood stuff smells incredible. smells so good. Oh my gosh. Love it. Yay!